Something big is happening in downtown Huntley, and it's not just about shopping.
It's about opportunity, entrepreneurship, and what happens when a community invests in its people.
Today, we're taking you inside the Shops on Main, Huntley's brand new retail incubator that's already turning small business dreams into reality. Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzy, and with the Tamara and Ozzy team with Century 21 New Heritage. And this is the Local Scoop, where we cover what's new and what's next around Huntley and McHenry County.
Today, we're highlighting a project that's about way more than ribbon cuttings. It's about revitalizing downtown Huntley, supporting local entrepreneurs, and reimagining how small towns grow. I like the color. The Shops on Main are 10 new retail spaces right in the heart of downtown Huntley. 4 inside the historic Hackett House and 6 small, newly built shop spaces outside. They're part of a first-of-its-kind retail incubator, a program that helps local entrepreneurs go from home-based or online businesses to real brick-and-mortar storefronts. This project is funded by a nearly $1 million SBA grant. It is not just a local effort, it's federally recognized as a model for small town economic growth. And the goal isn't just to fill these 10 shops, it's to help these business owners thrive, then graduate into permanent storefronts right here in Huntley, creating long-term stability, new jobs, and a more vibrant downtown.
So when we say this is an investment in Huntley's future, that's literal. It's an investment in people, and in a stronger, more walkable, and more connected community.
The inaugural lineup is an amazing mix of creativity and courage, from CP Boutique launched by a Huntley graduate chasing her fashion dream, to Pots and Pies expanding from Crystal Lake to test a second location right here in Huntley. You'll also find local favorites like Bare Rags, Wild and Ink, and the Find Vintage and Thrift, each one bringing something unique to our downtown retail mix.
And that variety is the point. These are all small, independent local businesses, the kind that make a town feel alive, not cookie cutter.
When you shop here, you're literally supporting your neighbors, people who live here, create here, and are building something from the ground up. And that creates something powerful, community pride. Every sale, every visit, every shared post helps make downtown Huntley stronger.
And beyond the shops themselves, this project helps every business in town. More foot traffic means more diners in local restaurants, more people discovering Main Street, and more life downtown.
The Shops on Main will run through December 21st for this inaugural winter market season, and the lineup will refresh next year. That means new products and a reason to keep coming back.
And if you're planning to stop by, time it with one of the big events like a Very Merry Huntley or the Cocoa Crawl. That's when downtown truly comes alive.
This is what we love most about Huntley. It's a town that keeps growing, but always with heart.
The Shops on Main aren't just shops. They're a symbol of what's possible when a community believes in its people.
So come check it out, support local, and see what's new right here in downtown Huntley.